Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, kind of like today's, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up. That's where you guys come in, and that's important for the growth of a YouTuber on this huge platform. So if you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue and the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed here. So I'm thanking you in advance again for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is a fantastic way to end 2021 and start 2022. The reason being is this was waiting outside my door. It came a little later in the afternoon, but it has arrived, and this is really exciting when we get this fantastic PR package sent to us at True Wants before the day of choice. And the day of choice for the Glam Bag Plus and the add-ons is all going to happen on the 2nd of January at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what we're getting here is we're getting some sneak peeks, and I'll do some swatches and things like that so that we'll get to hopefully be able to help us make some of those decisions on the 2nd. All right? Okay, so starting with, we have, what they do in this PR box is they put everything in loosely. So you kind of have to guess a little bit of what belongs in where. So I did my best to put what's in the $13 bag versus what's in the new $27.99 bag. Everything is free ship to the USA. I still get both the Plus as well as the Glam Bag on my channel, so you'll be seeing my paid versions here. But like I said, so many spoilers that I've had the opportunity to share with you. There's maybe one or two are the items that are in this box. So there's so much that is going to be great surprises for us on the 2nd. So hopefully me opening this up a little bit earlier and it arriving earlier will help us make some of those decisions that are going to have to be made on the 2nd. The theme this month is called Happy Vibes. And this month it says, and year, make time for the things that make you smile. So important. So excited about that is what the theme is. All of everything with IPSY always comes with a bag, and that's never part of the count. So starting with the cutest bag for the month of January is this gorgeous splash of color bag. It has a feel to it that is more like a rubbery type of texture, so if anything spills, you'll be able to wipe it off really easily. It has the toggle with the name of IPSY on it there, and inside it is not lined, it is just that white. So this is always never part of the count. This is a $13 a month bag, free ship in the USA, and it comes with 5 deluxe sample sizes, but sometimes they throw in a full size in there. And I think in this one, it might be a brush. So that's where I put that over here. But please share with me in the comments when we're finished with everything that if you think I did okay, or there was something that maybe should have been in one bag and not the other. So let's get started. All right. Okay. Starting with the first item that I think is possibly in the $13 bag is this item here. And it's a hair mask from a brand that is new to me. It's called Roze and Quartz. And they're saying it is a hair mask. They're saying it's vegan, gluten-free, and not tested on any animals. And it says it has 0 sulfates, sodium chloride, parabens, PEGs, any dyes, or any mineral oil. So everything good. So that is what this looks like here. And when you click it open, it is sealed. This is what it looks like here. So these are great also to take traveling because you're not taking any bottles. And this is what the product looks like here. It has a very light rose scent, not overpowering at all, and that is what the item looks like there. Yeah, it has a very light rose scent to it. So first item. The next item is from Shayna B, and this Shayna B at Miami, and I've had the opportunity to try a couple of her products, and each one has been a real win for me. And when I opened it up, this says all over it New Year's Eve. So this is perfect for the month of January. These are the colors when you're seeing everyone choosing to put shadows on. They always choose like these gorgeous platinums or golds, like very, very jewel toned. And this is really, really exciting to now have this in my arsenal. So really excited about that. And her shadows go on beautifully. And her, the other item here that is a glitter, they don't go on like very, I should swatch. They don't go on very, like you'll see. When you put your finger to it, you will feel it being, the mattes are beautiful. You will feel the particles inside, but when you put it on, it goes on so smoothly. Do you see what I mean? It's like, it looks like a mixture between a foil and a sparkle, but you can feel the glitter in it, but it's the type that I don't think will be like a problem. So really, really excited about that. So that's the second item that I think would be in the $13 bag. The next item that is in here, I'm sure it is for this bag, it is this little guy here. And this is the Pore Fessionals. This is one of their newest launches. This in the Lite, L-I-T-E. And this was one of the spoilers that we were able to share together. It looks exactly like the other Pore Fessionals. And if you're not familiar, the Pore Fessionals is a really fantastic primer that really put benefits on the map. And then they did a hydrating one, and they did the regular one, and now they have the one that is the Lite. And the biggest trick with putting this on is you don't put it on where you smooth it all over your skin. You literally place it exactly where you have an issue with pores or a little bit of texture. And what you do is you place it on and you press it in. And you need very, very, very little, because if you use too much, it will ball up. So just put it exactly where you need it and press it in. It will leave your skin so smooth, and then everything on top of it is just beautiful. So this is their newest one, which is always nice when through our boxes, we get the opportunity to get the newest launches sometimes in the boxes, and this is one of them. The next item in here is from HoneyJarret, and this is their lip sleeping mask. And I, every night, use a lip sleeping mask, and it has changed my lip game. I do not have any dryness ever anymore with my lips. So always excited to get an item like this one. This one, I do not smell a scent to it. It is more of a glossy type of feel to it, as you can see here when I went in. It's not like a firm balm. So this we will put right beside here. It has a bit of stickiness to it, because you can see when I go like that, but I also put a lot on. But when it is sticky like this and you put it on your lips at night, it will stay exactly where you put it, which is always nice when lip masks don't transfer. So really excited about that. Then I have it in between two items. So I'm going to show you both and then you'll tell me. So the first item here that I think might be the fifth item for this is this brush from Hip Dot, and this is the precise, it says precision brush, precise brush it says, and this is what it looks like here. So it looks like one of those brushes that you would use if you see it's really, really flat. So this is really great if you're trying to put in those cut creases, or a concealer brush where you want to put it exactly where you want the item to go. That's what these brushes are for. This one is a lot larger than ones that I have. So really excited to play with this and see what it's all about. So this is what I think the fifth item might be. The one where I'm on the fence about is this next one here. So now we're talking about what I think is in the Plus. And the Plus comes with this toggle bag, same design, but on this one, on the front of it here, it has a happy face, which goes point blank on theme, right on point with theme for what they're saying here is the happy vibes. So really cute that they put the happy face on here. As you know, with these bags, I enjoy them. I put all my hair masks in here, and when you're traveling, they're great to separate your hair accessories with certain things. These bags really come in handy. You'll see that you'll end up using these a lot more than you thought you ever would. All right, so this is where I was on the fence, and I wasn't sure if this was for the $13 bag or the $25 bag. This one here is called Lasting Smiles, and it is a polishing lip scrub. So let's open this up here. This has a little safety seal on it, and we'll peel it back, and we'll put a little bit of it over here to see what this is all about. And that's what that looks like over there. And yeah, you can feel the, it feels more like sugar particles in here. and that's what it feels like to me. And let me see if there is a scent to this. Oh yes, there is a very fresh scent to this, almost like a lemony type of scent to it. But as you can see, I'm going to try to go as close as I can to the camera. You can see that the particles are more like a sugar type of particles on here. And what it says, they're saying this is, I'm just going to take out my Improving Lifestyles magnifier. If you want one of these, just check down in the description box. We have them available there. Yeah, it's cane sugar, and that's exactly what I'm feeling. It also has sunflower oil. It's also certified cruelty-free. It's also vegan, and it's made in the USA, and it's called Lasting Smiles. So that is really, really excited about that. And it says certified fair trade and certified organic. So that is the item here. The next item that is in here is from Eyeko, and this is their Black Magic Cocoa Edit Liquid Eyeliner. And let's see what color we got. So on this one here, it says we have intense color brown, and that's what it says on the box here. And this is what the looks like here. And let's open it up and see what it's all about. Yeah, so we'll just do a little fine, yeah, that's the brown. It's beautiful. It's really, really nice. It's more of a chestnut brown, so it's not that strong, and it's really, really nice. And also the tip on this glided on beautifully. It's almost like more of a brush tip than those firm tips. It kind of moved with me, so that's exciting. The next item is one that we saw in the sneak peeks, and it's called Dewy Tube, or Dew Tube. And I asked you guys when we were doing the sneak peeks if some of you knew about this brand, and you said you did, and it is one that you would recommend. So excited to have the opportunity to try something from this brand. This is what this looks like here, and let's do a swatch right underneath here. So I'm going to go in again just so that we can get more of a color to this, because it has more of a pinky peachy, and it has a little bit of glitter in the tube. So I'm going to try to see if we can see that, if the camera will pick it up. Yeah, it is. Okay, perfect. And that's what that looks like there. So that looks really exciting, and so happy to have the opportunity to try the new brand. The next item in here is from Koa Life, and it says Mist Me, and they're saying it is a rejuvenating toner. And this, let's see what else it says here. It says no mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. And let's see if I can see what's written on the back of the box here. Just give me one more sec. It says it improves the appearance of your skin tone. It reduces visibility of aging. It nourishes and calms the skin, tones, firms, and strengthens. So that is what this looks like here. We'll do a quick little spritz and see what this is all about. There's no scent to this at all. And this is what's great about this, is being able to get a toner in a mist. That will be something new to me, so excited to have the opportunity to try that. And then the last item is one that there were a couple of sneak peeks about, and this is really exciting. It's from the brand called Kim Chai or Chi. Please correct me if I'm wrong. This one here is called Stage Proof Matte Setting Spray, and this is the cute packaging that arrived. And I'm just going to read you a little bit that is on the back of the box here. And here it says this is a matte finish. They're saying the ingredients start with water, and then it has alcohol denat. And let's see what else is written here. And it has a rice extract, and it has, okay, it's cruelty-free, it's vegan, it's paraben-free, it's, let's see here, a PEG, also PEG, falsate-free, sulfate-free, synthetic fragrance, and okay, everything's here, distributed by, where are we here? And it's made in China. And anything else on the box here that I should tell you guys? Okay, it says here that Kim Chi says, you've managed to beat on that mug after carefully blending it to perfection. Now take this bottle and spritz this magical liquid all over your face to seal that masterpiece you've worked so hard to get that, to let that makeup go anywhere. So that is perfect. All right, let's do a quick spritz of this guy and see what this is all about. Also a very fine mist, and there's no scent to this either. So really excited about this. And as far as I know with Kim Chi, she is a stage performer, so really excited about this. And it says it's a matte setting spray. So really excited that I had the opportunity to get this, because this was one of the items that I was planning on choosing if it was a choice item for me. So share with me in the comments down below if you think I got the right items for the Glam Bag versus the Glam Bag Plus. If there's anything in here that you're excited to be able to choose for your bag. And don't forget that on January the 2nd at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time is our choice day for the Glam Bag Plus. And hopefully you will join me because I do get up early to film that for you guys. And we go through what all the choices are on that are available to me, as well as the add-ons. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Like I always say, it's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you find right underneath. At this time, I want to wish everybody a happy and healthy new year, and keeping our fingers crossed that everything is going in the right direction for all of us in 2022. Take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.